Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make the yellow Angry Bird epic Play-Doh Angry Birds. I'm using non-toxic Play-Doh because I ran out of Play-Doh. And this is my non-toxic Play-Doh. And I don't know what, I know that's the yellow Angry Bird epic. I look like him, but I don't have a model like him. But I will make you him. First, we need big yellow. Next, make a triangle out. I'm sorry. First, make a triangle like this. Then some little color I don't like this, like this. Next, get a little bit. Brown. Orange. Get a little orange, like this. Get this and make a line here and a line here. After this, get a little blue and try to make a wizard hat for the yellow Angry Bird epic. Let's take a little time out. So the wizard hat. Put it on the head and there's this wizard hat. So funny, right? Okay. Next, get a I'm gonna make some eyes. And you're all right. You're right, guys. You're right. Put it on the yellow bird face and the big eye. Because the big keep broken in when and then your big not again. Stop. Okay, here's it. No. Next. Get some dark red, this red. No, sticking all around. This red. Next, get this yellow bird. Make an angry face on this. No. Let's take off her hat and put it on the. Okay. Get another one and make another one. Look, see. Next, get super black. Get this black.
Wow.
Too small to see.
Okay, that's too small. All right.
And put it on the eyes.
Okay, let me see.
Fake this video. Oh no, I'm not gonna fake this video because this is bad. Okay, next get a little blue, yellow and put it on the wizard hat. And write the seed in the wizard hat. And put the wizard hat back. Now look upon it. Next get a little brown. This brown. Make a long line. And get light blue like this. Next, make this square. Next, get a red again, but more is red, and make a triangle with it. A fat triangle. And then making a blue V. Okay, and then make a V. Make a star made out with this blue color with your fingers. And get some more brown. Get some more brown. Put it on the belly of the star, fun star. Now it will be a seatbelt. The right seatbelt. It will be a bad seatbelt. Oh, little baby star. Let's get a little brown and put it on the top of the star. purple bit look like? Oh, this is the back of the this one. Put it on the yellow bird like this. And get some little purple and make a book made with that. And make a book. A wizard book. Because it's really important for a wizard have to have a book. Because next, get a little red and put it on the back of the wizard's head, like this. Next, get some black, the bad color, only for him. But we need some black, and put it inside the white line inside the book for reading for that. Hold on, let me do this. Like this. Okay, when you're done, put it here on the other side. Next, get some white again and put it on down right here on the yellow bird side. Oh, I'm really sorry for that noise. I'm really sorry really. Next, get this. 3 sides like this. 1, 2, 3. This side, okay? Next, you do two things. Maybe 2 sides. Yeah. Make 3 tails like this. Now this is too big. Sorry. Sorry, fellow adventurers. This one. First, you like this tail? Put it on the back of the yellow bird. The last thing to do. Get some yellow. Get some white. Mix it together. Get some oleo blue. Do this. Next, get some your next blue, white blue. Hold on, I'll show you something. This is my favorite letter. I was going to be like this. It'll be like this. This might be my favorite letter, but not quite. Not quite my favorite letter, but this is my favorite letter. It's a little mine. Favorite letter. And here's my favorite letter. There you go. Here's my pin. Okay, stop looking at my bird. Please stop. Stop. Don't look at me again. Thank you for watching my Angry Bird epic video. I heard again. Sorry, fellow adventurers. I'm really sorry. Okay, bye. Peace down.